Relax. Get off the rug. Sit down. Calm down. Calm down.
I like your cut, G.
Hey, Mom! The meatloaf! We want it now! The meatloaf!
Spin. You need to let it go. Drop it. Aspen, just drop it. Drop it. Good girl.
That would make me drop out. It's actually none of those things, you cobble-tongued tot. Maybe go to primary school and come back to this video when you're ready. I'm joking. I have dropped out of college.
Oh no, you can't get out. That's terrible. Yes, do you need help? You can't get out. Are you stuck? Oh no. Oh no, are you stuck in the, oh, good job.
What's wrong?
Full video. My dog thinks he's a mountain bike.
Пушинка, вот смотри, вот я тебе оставляю, нельзя, нельзя, нельзя мясо, и ухожу. Нет, нельзя, оставляю мясо.